Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a little bit and I am so happy to be back. We are coming back at you today with the May Boxy Charm Premium. This got to me relatively earlier considering my last month's box I didn't even get to put up because it got to me so late in the month that it really wasn't a point in putting it up. That's like the second to last day or the last day of the month. So this is here. I decided to open this up. I'm going to have a bunch of boxes coming directly to you. First and foremost, I wanted to say it is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out there, and thank you all for the Mama's Day love as well. And let's jump into the box. It feels a little light, not gonna lie. I don't ever really get the weight on mine, so I can't really tell you how much it weighs, but I'm opening up with you for the first time. So this is the card, and it looks like the theme is flourish, which is really cute, you know. Springtime, but also Mother's Day, flourish, very cute. Okay, so we'll start off one thing by one thing. So this is actually something that I chose. This is the Bloom Effects, a Royal Tulip Nectar, and I believe that this is made from actual tulips. Yes, tulips, Dutch tulips, and that is pretty cool. And it is a moisturizing sleep mask. So this is, oh, sorry guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up just so we can get a better look at it, see what the packaging looks like. And oh, it's hefty. It's a hefty girl. Like, this must have been all of what this box weighs. So this is what it looks like on the outside. Excuse my nails, long story, had them done. They were all breaking off. I was on tour in Ohio. Oh, it reminds me of like honey. It is very like, oh, that went into my brushes. But yeah, I was gonna say it's very thick, but apparently there's a little bit of watery consistency in it as well. Probably needs to be mixed up maybe. I will keep you up to date. As you know, I couldn't even just use this right now and let you know, because with skincare it takes, you know, weeks, if not actually like 6 months-ish. So this is actually the first thing on the list, and it's $65. The next thing is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Eyeshadow. And this is her right here. I will open it up. It's called Chocolate Bunny. For some reason, I do not believe that this is the color that I chose, but we've got it. So we're going to take a look at it. Oh, wrong way. Sorry, guys. And then the color is pretty brown color. Let's just put it on here. And then let's see if we can buff it out. It's a pretty color. I could see me doing this like a wash of all over color. And then if you wanted to take like a brush, let me just grab a brush, clean brush, and just so yeah, it's a pretty color. Blends out nicely. If I wanted to sheer it out, let's see if I could sheer it out some. Yeah, about the same. I would say it's pretty quick to work with. So if you do it, just know that like you got a little bit of time to work it out. I'm not sure. Okay, so it does look like it has, I'm not sure if you guys can see, there is a little bit of glitter in there. I'm not sure. I thought it was completely matte. That definitely could have been residue on my brush from before. You know we're not professional here. I'm trying, guys. All right, guys, the next thing, I'm sorry, that was $21. Let's go in order, actually. The next thing it says is the Bite Beauty. The Bite Beauty Power Move Creamy Matte Lipstick. It's a lip crayon. So I'm not sure about how I feel about this. It's a really dark color, and it is a spring box, so they kind of missed the mark there. Oh, by the way, I didn't even get my premium box for last month, so I'm still waiting on them to, they said they were going to send it to me. I'm still waiting on that. I hear that that happened with a lot of people, so let me know below if that happened with you as well. I don't know about you guys, but I know, like, I complain about Boxy, and it's a pretty good box for someone who, like, hasn't gotten a million boxes, but for somebody who gets quite a few of them, I feel like they're really slacking. I feel like they really kind of almost don't care anymore because their name has grown so much, but that's for a conversation for a later day. I do love Bite products, and I do really want to keep this. I'm just not... What the heck is that? yeah, so I'm just not sure I'm going to keep it. I could use it as a liner for sure, but it's like really chocolatey. It's just odd because like this whole box could be really like fall vibes, not so much spring vibes, but you know, it is what it is. And this right here is going for $26, okay? And then the next thing, should I go in order? Okay, so I did actually have this out because it fell out of the box. So the next thing on here, which I thought was interesting, is I think it's called LaRouche. They are brushes. So there's, okay, it's $96 for this. I've gotten their brushes before. It usually comes in like a set of 5. We get them from Ipsy, and the brushes are nice enough. There's not even 5 brushes in here. Time out. This is a 3-piece set. It comes with a dense domed brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a soft angular brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. Now, eyeliner, eyebrows, I mean, it's a little bit thick for what I would like it for, but okay. I always love LaRouche's handles. I'll show you guys with another one what I mean. They have like the little ribs to them. Definitely thick. I don't know if I'm going to keep these, so I don't want to like swirl them around so you guys can see, but if I do this like this, like it's dense, but it's not incredibly dense. Like, I'm really enjoying, where is it? This KVD, I almost said the old owner, Locket brush. Like, this is really a dense brush. That's the kind of brush I like. Even this brush that we got, and I think it was like the December Luxe, I think, is pretty dense for like contour. You know, those are the dense like brushes I have. And then this is not dense at all. This is supposed to be like a highlighter slash brush. And to me, if I was going to use like, this is even a little bit weak for me dense wise. I'm trying to find out, like, okay, this guy is one that I like. See if you can just see the size difference. I mean, I was going to say from the side, but this is all one size. It's not like it's like thinner over here and you turn it and it gets thicker like this one kind of does. Okay, so whatever. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that, so I'm not going to use these as of right now. I have like 3 other packages of LaRouche. What I find interesting about this is that we get these in Ipsy. So now that they're owned by the same company, are we going to start getting like repeats in both of our boxes? Or like just like different things by the same company? So at this point I have like 3 at least, if not 4 of these like containers. I've got the gray ones, or maybe it's a gray container with blue ones in it, and then black ones, black brushes as well. I don't know. Let me know how you guys feel about that. And then those, like I said, are $96 for 3 brushes. Would you ever pay $96 for those 3 brushes? Comment down below, because I sure would not. And this is the premium at that, guys. Anyhow. All right. So the next thing and final thing? Huh. Oh, I skipped something. Okay, I'm incorrect. This next product is $26. It's by Grown Alchemist. It's a body cream. Okay, it's mandarin rosemary leaf. So it has active ingredients for noticeably nourish, moisturize, and soothe dry skin and visibly restore elasticity and suppleness. So now I have a matte day cream and a moisturizing night mask. This is cute. From Grown Alchemist. And I do kind of like their products. This is pretty hefty. I mean, I have relatively small hands, but let's see. Just for comparison, like how tall it is. It's a good amount of product. Absolutely. It is 4.05 fluid ounces. So I'm not mad at this. This is one of the things I really like. I do like the Bloom Nectar mask. And then the last and excuse me, I did say that's $26. And then the last thing I have is the Rodeo Dragon's Blood Eye Mask Trio. This is $18. So this is a gel eye mask technology with a dragon's blood complex and intensely hydrating and intensely hydrate the delicate under eye area. Y'all know me at this point. I'm gonna read a little bit about these because I am kind of like a little bit, like, I like to do my reading and be totally sure about the products before I put them on my under eyes, as that is, like, to me, my most problematic area. So I like to only use certain products there. I'm going to check out what the products are. I can't see anything right now since it's so tiny, but it doesn't really say, oddly enough. And then it's got like 6 different languages on it. Okay, so olive oil. There's a lot of ingredients in this. Anyhow, I'm not knowing right now how I feel about this, so I'm gonna wait on that. Let me know what you guys think about this box, what you guys got in your box. Did you get it early this month? Are you still waiting on your boxes from last month? This is crazy. It's a mess right now with boxing. You'd think that being owned by Ipsy was gonna make it that much better, and now my Ipsy boxes, or bag, shall I say, are late as well. So I don't know, part of me just really wants to like cancel my subscription boxes, except for like my FabFitFun and causebox, and just buy makeup that I like, or buy mystery boxes like I did with Laura Lee or Jeffree Star, or, you know, and so on and so forth. But what I will say is that I've got a few really cool things coming up. I am going to do the Laura Lee one that I talked to you guys about. I've just been so busy getting back to normal life, which I'll explain in that video where I do a get ready with me with the Laura Lee mystery products. I have that one coming. I have my causebox opening, and then I did get the Alter Ego Luster palette, and it's supposed to be an exact dupe for this palette from Pat McGrath. So I am excited, the mothership. So I am excited to open that up. I'm going to do a try on with you guys where I use one palette for one eye and one palette for the other, and let's see how much of a dupe they are, because Alter Ego is very well known for doing their dupes. So let's see if we can save us all a little bit of coin. So along with that, I do have a few other new subscriptions that I wanted to talk about and post up. I've been saving them over the last couple of months. So yeah, we've got some great things coming and a little bit more time on my hands to catch up with those. So again, happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. Did you get your Boxy yet? How are you liking it? How are you feeling with the switchover? Ipsy X is also coming this month, and I did not get to choose my items because I was late at the picking process. Literally on the 3rd going into the 4th, I tried to pick and it said that I was too late. So it's pretty much open for like a day and a half. I missed it, which is a rarity of mine. Don't forget that I believe it is next Monday, I believe, we're going to be able to make our picks for Boxy Charm. And if I hear anything about the picks, I will definitely let you guys know in upcoming videos. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.